Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update.
It's that time of the year when we splash each other with colors until everyone is unrecognizable. And if they have a problem, you can always say बुरा ना मानो होली है. Yes, Holi बहुत पास आ चुका है. And if you think it's only celebrated in India, think again. Indians all over the world celebrate Holi in countries like Canada, UK, USA, Australia and have become very desi. Hi, I am Sunidhi and I'm here to share some interesting facts about how the world celebrates Holi. चलो सबसे पहले हम अपने कंट्री इंडिया से ही शुरुआत करते हैं. होली इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन अ वाइड स्केल, स्पेशली इन द कोस्टल एरियाज. In Uttar Pradesh, there is a fun Holi tradition where all the women beat up the men with lathis. और अगर वो भाग जाते हैं, then उन्हें डांस करना पड़ता है. So fun, but that is true, guys. This happened. Holi is called Yawol Shang in Manipur and is celebrated by organizing songs and dance performances in the temples and playing with colors and raising money for local charities. Our other neighbor, Pakistan, has a smaller Hindu community, but it's still celebrated with everyone. There are rituals and prayers in the temples, and everyone celebrates with colors and famous festive foods like dahi, vadas, gujiyas, and papdis. Oh my god, I miss that. During the British reign, many Indian soldiers were posted in Guyana. Till today, there is a fairly big Indian community in Guyana and they celebrate all festivals including Holi. Holi के एक महीने पहले they plant castor oil plants which they then use for the Holi bonfire. The other celebrations are the same as India.
Durban and Johannesburg in South Africa have a large Indian population who get together for all major Indian festivals.
South African culture is as vibrant and colorful as the Indian culture. और इसलिए ना कि सिर्फ इंडियंस जबकि वहाँ के लोकल्स भी बहुत खुशी से होली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इंडियंस के साथ. एंड दैट इज सो मच फन. द Caribbean dual island country Trinidad and Tobago celebrates Holi with a carnival twist. They celebrate with live folk music by playing the majiras and dholak, and they also have a special folk song called Chottle that is sung throughout the festival. It is so much fun indeed. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a glimpse into how Holi is celebrated by different cultures around the world. Do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and comment if you enjoyed watching this video. We will be back with more interesting facts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. A very happy Holi.